Okay. All right. So the stocks we're looking at for today. Okay. So we're looking at Amazon. We're looking at AMD, and then we're looking at Apple. And the strategy for this is just going to be break and hold at open. The strategy for this is just going to be break and hold at open because the market is just more volatile at open. Okay. AMD, Amazon, Apple. So Amazon is already at 148. So if it just goes at open, you could just buy. And then AMD, if it's green at open, you could just buy as well because it's gonna go anyway. So you could just get an early entry, and then Apple 196 bounce. So that's the only one that we'd have to wait for because Apple is trading at 197.96. So we'd have to wait for a pullback unless Apple's just bullish off the open, which would be crazy. Okay. Yeah, so a lot of these stocks we're just going to be able to get starter positions as soon as market opens because they're just going to go. Like AMD, Amazon, and Apple. Or not Apple, AMD and Amazon. So we'll see what the open looks like. If Amazon goes off open, I'm just buying calls. If it goes off open. Yeah, if Amazon just goes off open, I'm buying calls. Let me join the webinar. Amazon, okay.
I think they know a bunch of people are shorting the market too. A bunch of shorts are getting covered, so that's the issue, in my opinion, too.
AMD, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens off open. Wait. Spy.
Market's open. Right. Amazon looks really clean. Just need to get a nice clear 150. I love PayPal too. PayPal, I'm gonna load my.
Yes, I said Amazon. All right, yeah. Spy looks good too. Apple's just going, bro. What the heck? Look at Apple. Okay. SPY. We could take any one of these. Cause he's saying longs for SPY anyway. Main watch is a pullback into that 368 for a bounce.
Both AMD and Amazon are above our level. Looking for upside, and I want to see nice closures first before I get in. Not going to jump anything off the open, especially while we're under this 473.5.
Apple and AMD.
Really big test here on AMD.
Let me see AMD. Which one's a better reward? Oh my gosh, bro. I mean, we could take it.
I think Thinkorswim is frozen or on the app or what, but it's not showing any profits. You can eat a dick, Thinkorswim. Fuck you. That's why I got on Weeble, bitch. Apple broke all-time highs. Pull back on Apple. I'm gonna load my Apple 200 contracts. This 5-minute candle closes on the buy the next pullback. We have room at 200 level. This is all-time highs on Apple. PayPal as well.
Wait, why would he? So is he buying it right now?
Yeah, I'm not sure what I can't see my P&L for
I could have just bought Amazon.
Got my PayPal 63 calls ready. Amazon 150s. Apple. Not letting me see none of my P&L. That's bullshit. I can see it on like the
Wait, Apple? I might just buy earlies on Amazon.
oh, there we go. Now it shows, you fucking bitch. Yeah, I got my PayPal 63 calls ready. Amazon's testing, AMD's testing. Just need to see these clear connector. No entries yet. Apple really big break over that 198. But showing a little bit of signs of some resistance here on AMD and Amazon. So no entry yet. the Slim situation settled?
Swing a little bit lower on PayPal.
They ain't want me to see the percentage game because they knew I was winning.
Microsoft's extremely weak. It gets below that 370, that's a great score. Only 371. Top 2.5 calls for the next tick below is this 5% alone. Ideally looking at 300 high.
Because you watch it all, you watch it all.
Yeah, PayPal. Here we go. I'm gonna grab the starters here on PayPal. 1.15. Just got filled. Got filled at 1.17 actually. My starter for this. I plan on adding a little bit more.
Bro, what's wrong with my Weeble? I'm just gonna wait for a second ad. Apple. Apple, Amazon.
Yeah, good thing we waited on Amazon and AMD, right? For confirmation, you have entries.
Why is he saying that?
I'm coming to DC soon. This is Tesla. Tesla is up.
Very, very, very.
Amazon. Let me see. Damn. I don't know what to take, bro, honestly.
Apple's holding that 199 pretty low.
The hell, I'm motherfucking swinging. I think I still, of course, I got leaps and stuff, but
What do I want to trade? Should I buy some Apple calls? I mean, some PayPal? I'm gonna buy 4 PayPal. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. I forgot about Netflix. Dude, Netflix is freaking wild, bro. That's good, 12%. That would have been a good trade.
go PayPal, go PayPal, go. I should have grabbed him.
15%. Taking my first trade here.
Dang, I should have got in.
Routing it.
Damn it.
Hope it does. Let's go.
I did take a few trims though.
Damn, I should have got in, bro. Fuck.
Love this candle flip green. Go, go,
Go. Go above highs.
I'm getting in. It's still early enough.
Blow.
Phil. Oh my gosh. Can PayPal fill, please?
Definitely trim, folks.
Yeah, definitely trim.
Please fill. There we go. All right. Perfect. All right, I got like $480 in PayPal, bro. Jeez. AMD.
Today, Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't miss one trade this week.
Nice package up.
Somebody said Tesla swing. Of course not. Why would we do that?
Alright, I'm loading my AMD contracts. Loading my December 15th, 141 calls on AMD.
I'm pre-entering because I got a bad entry in that last one, so I'm gonna pre-enter. Frick that, bro. Should I do AMD or should I do Amazon?
There we go. That's 25% on PayPal. Let's go, baby.
Nice.
Was that a ski or an easy?
Easy.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, my boy Sexy Felony.
Motherfucking printing.
Bro, what?
More cells here. AMD, we can switch our focus to AMD.
Oh, I only have 600. Damn. Rip. I thought I had more. So I can only afford 3 AMD contracts. Rip. And I got a bad fill.
I said, never say that again, Hard.
I'm still holding some PayPal runners though, and I encourage you guys as well. We can just trail that previous swing low with our stock. So hold, you know, at least one or two.
Yes, sir.
AMD looks amazing though. Did you get filled, Brett?
Not yet.
I got an early entry on AMD. I'm gonna make a bag off AMD, bro. Let's get it.
Strong closure.
PayPal.
This candle. This is a. I honestly should have already gone in, but I'm just waiting for this closure now. Wait for the next break.
Yes, sir, bro. We could hold PayPal for longs.
I haven't been buying breakouts again, man.
We're up $100 on the day.
The part that pissed me off because I haven't bought breakouts in like a fucking year. And then like out of nowhere,
PayPal. Damn.
breakout season. Bro, the market is squeezing so hard, but we might as well swing calls to Friday.
Yeah, I'm gonna swing PayPal for sure. That's one stock.
Earn yesterday was nasty. Goddamn, PNC Bank, the phone, all this shit just went.
Yeah, all the financials are running. Please trim PayPal, guys. Right now it's up 32%.
All right, I'll take some safe trim. I'll sell 3 and just leave a runner.
And right now the contract is trading at 1.55.
I need a better sell, though. Needs to give me a better sell.
If this year doesn't tell you to cut off Twitter and don't listen to nothing on like Twitter period and just follow, I don't know what to tell you.
There we go, baby.
Brett,
That's what I'm talking about. Give me that good sell.
bro, if you listen to Twitter, man, you would think the world gonna end.
All right, let's watch AMD. Focus on AMD. Gotta wait for the next red candle where it starts scaling in.
Man, that's 40% on PayPal.
$100
Nice.
on the day.
Good sell.
This has 100% potential. Easy. This has 65 of them. That's why I'm gonna hold runners here.
I only have 1 runner.
Sell the fucking ETF while it was on the dip.
So the game plan, my game plan for making 30K with trading is to hold tech stocks. Like that's literally my game plan. I'm gonna hold tech stocks and play longs because the market's just going up. So my plan is to hold tech stocks and play longs. Just hold them.
What the healthcare sector.
Like you could literally play Amazon, you could play Apple, you could play anything and just hold throughout the day and have faith in the stock.
The healthcare. What is it? Excel. I forgot what it's called.
Not have faith, but believe in the trade.
Okay.
Apple's flagging here too. Apple looks great for a long. Keep the stop
I
going.
too.
Only thing I'm in right now is PayPal. Just has runners. No excuse for anybody to be right on this.
All right, so we got Apple
Another one.
199.15. That's a great trade. AMD is good.
It was like $3, no, $2 away from all-time highs.
AMD is good. And then Amazon is good too.
Get there.
Like all of these are good trades, potentially. That's why an early entry. If you enter early on Amazon, you're banking.
I think I'm done swinging. I'm straight day trading now.
I just want to lower an AMD so I get starters. Waiting for like 140.6, 140.4.
I'm on my road to becoming profitable, bro. I swear to God. All you have to do is literally put yourself in a position where you're pre-entering. So join the pre-market webinars and literally pre-enter positions, and you'll do a lot better.
Does anybody feel like this move just happened so fast? Like you didn't really have time to grasp it?
Bro, what? Bro, it was the best. Luckily, I'm in leaps, all right, you know, long term. So this move is not affecting me because I'm in most of these names long term and through leaps. So at least I'm, you know, and I got crypto. I had 200K worth of crypto before the move even happened. So, but you're right. Like I wish hindsight's 2020 that I would have took advantage of this.
This is a $1 million move here for sure.
Bro, a year like this is just crazy.
AMD didn't even go yet.
They don't want to give us an exact retest on AMD.
I might have to add to my forward leaps. Hold back here. I just regret not buying more leaps.
Your financials are absolutely blowing at top off. It's ridiculous. WAL up 7%, Morgan Stanley up 5, Bank of America 5, Goldman Sachs 6%. That's the forward SPY right now.
AMD, let me see. I want to see where AMD goes.
I don't want to hear anybody read on PayPal. Just like
Amazon might have been a better trade for longs, though. I feel like Amazon has the most potential.
I'm looking for swings right now, or at least
Good catch.
Amazon.
I just love leaps. Every time the market goes up, it's a 10,000, 15K day for me.
SPY. I do like this 474 for a short. This is what I'm keeping an eye on right now. 4,800 on ES. That was honestly my entry right there.
I'm not going to lie.
That's
I need AMD to go, bro. I need AMD to go to like 142. Because it's not really moving that much. Like, I need a bigger move on AMD, man. Like, come on. Let's. I need a bigger move on AMD.
I got lucky with that picture, man. I like that wick off the 474.
Oh my gosh, AMD's red.
Been waiting so long for this.
Should I buy another AMD contract? Hell no. Okay, Apple.
Yeah, we got today's USDX gap. Bro.
Could buy 200 calls on Apple. It's only $63. Ooh, that's good.
Be ready.
Should we buy Apple or Amazon? I'm gonna buy Apple and just play longs. I can afford 2 Apple contracts. Yeah.
Check my long term.
Everything I'm watching, I got on my watch list. IBW on my watch list. SPY's on my watch list. QQQ's on my watch list. PayPal, AMD, everything I'm watching today is on my watch list. I'm watching further on my watch list. Yeah, CT, that's the thing. That dollar move right there on SPY, on TRT, that was
take loans for that.
That's 50% on PayPal. Bro, I told you guys to hold.
I only have one runner, but it'll still make me good money.
Okay. All that shit.
Wow, PayPal's up like
Oh, yeah, we're really starting to squeeze now. Let's get it.
a lot.
Did you take PayPal art?
Nah, I wish I did, bro. I gotta actually cut my son hair and pack to fly to DC
Let's get it, man. When you gonna be here?
tonight, and then I'm gonna be there for like 4 days. I gotta see my mom, and I'm gonna see some members out there, and I'm gonna see Felony, sexy Felony.
Shoot me a text. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get you squared away.
Yeah, we will, bro. And AMD looks good. I might have to take this though.
I'm a little psyched out by SPY right now, but I really want to test this 140 level. I still have my calls loaded. I still have my 141 calls loaded.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that shit look good.
Dang, PayPal just dropped a lot. Should I have sold?
I wish I would have took PayPal. That was good.
What's PayPal even at? I gotta look at PayPal. What the fuck? It says 60.
I just got in some 141 calls.
Excuse my language.
I'm in light. I'm in at 1.62.
AMD.
Can you
Ooh.
do a DC mill? Yeah, I'm doing a DC.
Yeah, those are already 10%.
Apple's up 16%. Oh my gosh. Should I sell Apple?
You guys didn't give reps entry. I would wait a second. I just watched those contracts rocket. You be buying highs right now.
Oh my gosh, my Apple entry's up 22%.
I don't mind getting one more ad here at 140 and just testing this whole.
That's really good.
I'm just a little hesitant with SPY being in the supply, but I like the AMD position. I think we can test 142 before going lower.
That's a screenshot, bro.
You should already be up about 20%.
I don't think so. To see.
Contracts are
I'm already up a little bit. At 10% right now. A little more than that now. Right.
Holy shit. Apple could go to like 200. I mean, I'm holding Apple, bro.
Bro, if I never sold my leaps out of my long-term account and moved into PayPal, I probably
What's
that account.
what's AMD at? Oh my gosh, I can make so much money. AMD's at 140.
Extra 600,000.
Yeah, there's just
I'm never selling. If this market dips again, I'm not selling my fucking leaps in no account.
great trade, right? Like, where's you up to 20%, 25%?
Yeah, but I want to see a little bit more of this though.
Oh, no.
what are you talking about, AMD?
Did I not get it back?
Yeah, ABDO was crazy. I like Apple a lot too. Just replayed that 199 level.
Yeah, Apple has so much room too.
I really don't like the SPY right now at all.
Yeah, it's a little concerning, but AMD looks good.
Alright, now I'm green a bit more here. I'm up about 15% on SPY. Alright, sorry, on AMD. I want to see more though on this. I would love to see us push into this 142 before I take any profit on this.
142. Holy shit. That boy going for a home run. That boy going for a home run.
Now on AMD.
He's trying to make a bag, man. He's looking for like a 50% trade.
Alright, I'm taking some profit on AMD. I'm up 18% on AMD.
Rip, he's taking profit.
18%. You guys should be green if you entered a little bit later there as well. I
Rip.
think we'll still get that 142 test, but I just want to take some risk off.
Rip. Rip Brett taking the profit.
A bit quick, guys, I know.
Rip Brett taking the profit.
By the time I entered it, it just kind of flipped very quickly.
Oh, dude. He just sold at the perfect time. Nah, he didn't.
These contracts, they went from
No. Rip.
Which ones?
AMD.
Yeah, it moved pretty quick. My average, actually, I thought my average was 1.62. Actually, it was 1.69.
Okay, here we go.
Because by the time I bought the market on it, it literally it moved from 1.62 to 1.69.
Tesla, spot break is 247. This is massive. Tesla breaks 247. Nothing but room gets to 52. Check that out. Been watching this for a while. Tesla closes strong above 247. I'll pick up the next dip. 247 level's massive.
See if we can get this 142 test on AMD. I'm gonna set my stops to break even on these runners though. I still want to see this 142. I would love to see it. Let's just be patient here with AMD.
Dude, AMD, bro. Come on. Come on, AMD. I don't want to sell. I don't want to take any profit yet. I guess I would just sell 2 runners as well.
My stop on the runners is PayPal.
Apple's up 37%.
Right now I'm still up 28%. AGO pulls back up. If it
I don't even want to sell runners at anything less than 141.
watching at 4,800 still. I have my, you can take tomorrow's contracts, which are December 15th, or you can take the 21st. I'll let you guys know once we get there.
I might just take
I think we'll see a nice rejection off this 474, 475.
hold on.
You want
Let me see AMD.
It's high risk. I think this is the place to do so. Maybe just add it at 474, but
Nope, it's not. I need it to go to 142 for it to be worth it. I can't even hear. I gotta turn the volume up a bit.
Still maintaining my AMD runners, so I'll let you guys know what I do with it.
AMD looks weak. So it might go up though.
Watching this Amazon as well. Still maintaining AMD. I'm watching this Amazon back in this 148 zone too. Nice drops. Yeah, AMD was a bit quick, but it seems like a lot of you guys were able to catch it. But it was quick. I usually don't do that. It was honestly I didn't expect it to move that quickly. So sorry if you guys missed it, but I'm still holding my runners on this. I'll let you guys know. I'm not stopping out of my runners yet. I'm almost back to break even, but I'm just maintaining my position here. Watching Amazon for longs too.
Roku looks great.
Bro, AMD really disappointing right now.
108.50.
Jesus Christ.
See that 120. Roku's got a lot of upside left in it compared to other names. Same with PayPal.
Oh my gosh. I knew it, bro. I just lost so much money because AMD doesn't want to go. I'm just going to play longs on Apple.
These are the type of days we usually see the Uno reverse card, though. Everybody's so bullish after FOMC. We're sitting at all-time highs. This is usually when we see those pullbacks. It's a little too early to actually
Dude.
have a position, but I'm definitely
Wait, what's AMD at? Let me see.
close to
Oh, it's dropping.
Alright, back to break even here in AMD. A little bit under break even. I want to see if we hold this 140.6. If you lose it, I'm going to stop.
Damn. Damn. Oh, it's holding.
Honestly, I'm thinking of I'm just gonna hold my runners. I might actually just build more into this position.
It's holding. It's holding.
I wanna hold this AMD. This is still showing signs of wicking here. There's no reason for me to exit this yet. I really like that wick now. I'm gonna maintain this position.
Apple, why are you showing weakness? Why is Apple
Still
rejecting?
liking here. Just runner size, but I'm liking that sign of weakness. I really don't like SPY. That's the only
Yeah,
reason.
I'm going to enter. I entered the 472 December 21st at 2.9. I have two contracts. It's very early. This is
Okay, AMD, just go to like 192 so we can sell you.
Wow.
AMD, just go to 192, bro, so we can sell you already. AMD.
it's extremely weak. I think I'd rather thought if that was nice.
Yeah, I just pulled that chart up too. Nice trade.
AMD, come on, bro. Apple.
It's a bit of hell, to be honest. It's a dirty pullback. Pretty green trades today. Everybody should be nice and green so far. PayPal was minimum 30% plus. AMD was nice with Fred. Rabbler just caught a nice short position. If you just entered those 5 puts, they're already up 10%. These contracts are moving.
Yeah, he's right. They are moving crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, I'm prepared to come to DC. I'll see you in probably a day or two, felony. And I might hit up New York again. Might see Brett.
Yeah, man, come up.
Yeah, because I gotta go get some weed from New York. So yeah, that's why I gotta make me a pit. How far is DC from New York?
Bro, look at these positions.
30 minutes.
It's literally up 1%. Like, what the
You
fuck?
said a 3-hour drive.
Uh-huh.
Nah, we doing that. I might take me a little airplane type shit.
Yeah, that's 12% on those 5 puts. You don't have plenty of time.
Dude, look at AMD. I'm literally back to break even.
Nah, I only do weed like sparingly, like once, only on Fridays. But I like to do edibles. I don't want to smoke it no more. And New York got the best edibles that I've had. So yeah, I like edibles. Yeah, I don't smoke it, but I'll eat it.
Dude, look at AMD. Hold on.
What
I gotta
country, your friend?
keep. He needs to shut the hell
I
up
wanna
talking
see
about
my
weed.
Mel need the weed. Instead of me going up there, that should be dope. I'll pay big money for that.
Shut up.
That's easy money right there.
I just want the edibles.
I still like this AMD wicket. So I'm maintaining my runners here.
Alright. You have nothing to worry about, bro. Just hit me when you get there.
I got you. I'm about to go ahead and start. I gotta cut my son's hair, and then I'll be there. Since they already took all the live trades and did good, I ain't got shit to trade. Yeah, we caught the Exxon Mobil swing. Shit still running. So, yeah.
Scoops too, right?
Yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all later.
Alright, bro.
I'll be in DC soon. Probably like 7 o'clock. So yeah, I'll hit you. Felony.
I may add to this AMD position. I'll let you guys know. I'm not doing anything with
Go ahead,
but
man.
I may add to this AMD position if we pull back a little further.
Please don't pull back further, AMD. Just go, man.
I still want to see us back in 142. I just really like this retention. This 140. You just keep wicking off of it.
Right now we're up 12% on those 5 puts. I want to see us get below low a day before taking any trends.
Damn, nobody's in this shit. Nobody's in my stream.
Ad spot's gonna be around 140.5, 140.3. But I'm still liking this. I'm just holding this position. It's gonna go. It should go. Only concern right now is the SPY overall rejection of this 473. But I love this overall structure here. We're just retaining this 140. I mean, it should continue. But position yourselves the right way. I mean, look, these contracts are back green again, so position yourself properly. I don't want to have you guys overhold your runners.
I actually might trim at this next
Just trying to squeeze it
at 141.50
Nice express trades. NW.
if we can see that.
What did it do today? Are you sure?
But it might make no sense to trim. That's the only thing. Because I could be missing out on a lot of profit.
Yeah, PayPal, I'm watching for a swing position. Trade desk, I also like, but I'm not too sold on it yet. AMD, I think looks great. As long as it holds that 140, is like Brett's saying. It says to, as long as it's above that, it should keep going.
Struggle is real, dude. All right,
Because yeah, around that 470 level. That's where I'll try my first long position at the psychological level.
what is PayPal? I hate this, bro.
21 at 470. So if we pull back to 470, I'll try a long position there. Then we can take profit out.
Excuse me.
Apple's retaining this 199 level very well. Got multiple wicks through it, reclaimed it, held it. So Apple's looking kind of strong here. But we'll see. SPY starting to fade to open. Once we fade to open, should get nasty. There's lower day on SPY. That's 15% on those puts. If we can crack this lower day, I'll take the first sell. What contracts am I in? Oh, this is next Friday? Damn, they're moving really well. Imagine if we had closer expirations. This would be huge.
Wait.
I don't know. I felt like 21st was Monday. That's why I grabbed them, but I guess not.
PayPal.
Oh, good.
And then
Okay,
he's
I'm gonna take profit here at 12%. You're more than welcome.
he's holding for a swing position now.
Right size, so I wanna
I
hold
don't
it.
like that. That's not. I'm not
I'm
interested.
still holding AMD. I still like this position. Just needs to give us his new highs and we'll take profit. It just has to go. I think it's gonna go here. Just be patient. A little bit more.
Yeah, Tesla clears at 247. That'll be my next long trade. I like that a lot.
Come on, AMD. All right, we're just being patient at this point. Needs like a 40-cent move for it to be. I gotta keep an eye on Apple as well. Apple looks good. Could go into this 200 area here. 200 level, I mean. And then AMD is a great position. Let's check that out. AMD, 141 point. Yeah, it can go here. Just being patient.
Alright, I'm back up 12% on AMD. Still maintaining this position though. I want to see a bit more here.
Oh, wait. My PayPal runner is actually worth a lot of money. I'm tripping. I need to keep an eye on that too.
15% now. 16% now.
Should've took Apple.
Still watching this 142. I want to see us get to that. Sorry, we'll get 142. But feel free to take some off if you guys are oversized in this. Just want that 142 at this point. Yeah, you can unload some if you guys want. If you guys want, don't be too heavy. I still want to. It just needs to clear out this freaking 140, 150. Yeah, I'm gonna be a bit safe here, and I'm gonna take another trim on my AMG. I'm up about 13% right now, 14%, but I'm still gonna leave some size for that 142. These contracts are moving so much, so we have the ability to be able to scalp these candles like this. If you guys held or added with me, you guys should all be green at this point.
Oh, you adding more to it?
Yeah, I've been building into this position. I really like. I still really like AMD. I mean, even my initial contracts are still green. I mean, right now these contracts are at 1.9.
Nice.
Are you guys all green in AMD right now? How many of you guys are green in AMD? Green. Awesome. Just needs to clear this 140, 150, then we'll see 142. It's really playing with us here. There we go. Jesus Christ. Awesome. All right. Take some more trims. We're up about 20% now. Take some more trims off. 142. So we're approaching 142 target now. God damn. Awesome. Holy Moses. 27% now. Absolutely sick.
Good trade.
Did you guys hold? Thanks, man. Did you guys hold? God damn.
Anybody took Apple as well? Apple was beautiful. That's high day there. Should see some 200.
Taking some major trims at 142. How many of you guys held?
Tesla, yeah, I see Tesla.
Ooh. I wish I had more size.
Sorry,
If I had more size, I could have built into that position.
they really tried to play with us.
Yeah, I have my Tesla.
Honestly, bro, I could have built into that position.
First target is 250, second is 252. I have my Tesla 250 contracts loaded.
Nice first day on the small account challenge too.
Oh, you posted a small account?
No. Every trade I take like this is going to be taken on the small account.
Oh,
So AMD I took on the small account. I didn't make that much. I only made $134, but good start for me.
SPY, we're back up to 16% now. This is a new low here on SPY. If you guys want to take a trim on those puts, you're more than welcome. I want to focus on Tesla real quick. All right, there's 17% on SPY. We can really get aggressive here. I want to take a couple of trims, but it's always safe to, there we go. Nice. All right, I'm taking a couple sells on these SPY puts. Come on, give me one big push. Push.
Nice trade on SPY, bro.
Appreciate it.
You caught the tippy toppy.
Oh, yeah.
I think we can call it a 45-minute workday, man.
Definitely, man. PayPal, I still like. We can test this 6280, 6260. I'll re-enter. There we go on SPY, 17%. Just want one big push here. One big push, not take some off. Starting to get a little weak here. Just want to see one more big push. There we go. There we go. 472. That's 20% on SPY. I'm taking my first trim here. Just took off my first few contracts. We go, baby. Practice 472. We'll see 4715. Still a couple buyers on the tape, man. Need to get cleared out. Yeah, I'm taking my first big trim on SPY. I'm gonna take a couple more off actually.
Nice trade.
Yeah, there's just a couple buyers sitting here at 472. Once these get cleared out, we'll see much lower. Tape's still very red. It's just a couple buyers here at 472. There we go. Clear out this 472. We're looking sweet. There we go, baby. Gone. Ooh, wait. It's 25%. Fucking go, bro. I had a nasty position in these puts. I had so much time, man. December 21st. Once I realized that, I added another 50 contract. Let's fucking go. What we need a scribe for? I walked you guys through it on voice. Told you guys like 30 times. Not only did I tell you on voice, but it's on my watch list. We see weakness at 474, short SPY. Simple. We've seen weakness at multiple rejections on 474. Enter, keep your stop, and rock out. Yeah, today's a big day. I'm a little hyped. Today's a big day.
It was killer, man. Nice. We just cut 3 back-to-back trades. You caught.
I'm so mad that
PayPal
AMD
for
lost that
30%
level.
Or 30% plus. SPY, you just got high a day. AMD, we just nailed the whole move, the whole breakout. It wasn't a huge breakout, but it was still almost a $2 breakout.
Keep those Tesla contracts loaded. SPY starts to wick here. Tesla wick, and we'll see that 250. I want a little bit lower though before getting filled. Why are you in Apple and Amazon? Nobody's ever entered Apple or Amazon today. That's the first thing. But number two is, if you're in Apple, I mean, you can just maintain a stop below those 5-minute lows. If you're in Amazon, I don't know. I have one trade in my Lightspeed today, and I just took that in Webull, so yeah, I made $1,700 on PayPal. SPY Bliss just made $3,400. I had a couple SPX in there too, so pretty decent. 5,100 on a day.
Guys, posting gains if you caught SPY with felony or PayPal with felony or AMD with me. I'd love to see it. Honestly, I'm just watching the market now. Kind of hit the goal there, but let's see if we can find something else. Tony, how much are you up on SPY contracts over there? You're awfully quiet over there.
I'm still up 18%.
18%?
Yeah, right now.
Are you in 0 day? Or
Nah,
you're
dude, I'm in next Fridays,
okay, that's fine.
and they're still up 18%.
Man, bro.
20% now.
Honestly, there are a lot of sellers today in SPY. You can really see it. They really do not want to push us over that 473.50.
We should see much lower. The thing is, if we get really weak, we just have so much room down. You know, the risk reward is just there. That's why I'm holding still. I'm not gonna lie, I still have 30 contracts. Still have about a 6K position in SPY. I can't take profit right now. I'm up 20% a month. I have $1,200 in unrealized gains right now. I can just close it and walk away. But I think we see a little bit lower. I'm just going to keep a stop back above that 473. So essentially, probably about 5-10%. I will not let this go red though. That's for sure. There's no excuse why you guys didn't take profit though. I trimmed majority about 24%, 25%, and I'm still holding quite a few. Just being transparent. That's it. Majority of the P&L came from SPX though. I had 10 contracts at 2.4. I sold 7 at 370, which is $7 a contract, or about 70, excuse me, and sold the rest at 580. Tesla, I'm still watching. Hasn't permitted an entry. I just don't like the.
Structure and AMD is just incredible. Like I still want to re-enter this. If we get it pulled back, it may just go here. If we clear 142, I honestly think we'll just trend day on AMD. But if we do pull back, I'm going to take it again. Tony, did you enter AMD at all?
Nah, I've only taken 2 pounds spot.
You didn't. That SPY trade was honestly even cleaner. The downside move was over $1.50 already. Yeah, Joe, if you're still holding AMD, I would just maintain. Scale out of a lot of contracts, but hold runners. If we clear 142, it's just gonna squeeze.
Gojin trader. I mean, that's ultimately how I trade majority of the time. It's just strictly off price action. Once I see the first failure at 473.7, I can define my risk there. And once I push back to 473.50, that's why I entered a free market high. We got above that previous 5 minutes of high. Given about 20 cents of risk, then we caught about $1.20 moves. That's a 6-hour trade. PayPal is the same concept. My system allows me to do that. Have extremely tight stops. That's why my red days are so small. Because I don't ever risk much. You rarely see me take a loss bigger than 10%, 15%. But my winning trades at 25, 30, 40%.
We had a review when you were break even on AMD. So nice job, Bash. Yeah, that's why I was narrating that trade, because I figured some people would re-enter with me. Yeah, I'm fully out of AMD, but I may re-enter. I'll let you guys know. I'm watching for a re-entry here at 140. It's still a really beautiful. This is the name to go long on Amazon too.
Yeah, I'm really watching Tesla here. Tesla's holding up extremely strong. The SPY can get one big tick lower. We wick on Tesla, I'll get killed. There's little criteria that needs to be met, but I like it. Just keep your Tesla 250 contract with. I mean, realistically, I'm going to take a little starter here on Tesla. This is high risk, but I'll take some of SPY with me. I'll just use a stop below that 5 minutes below about 246. It's a wide stop, so please be in this like this is kind of like a high risk, high reward position. I have profits to risk. I mean, we're already at 5%. If we get a push in the high, then I'm just gonna take already up 8% on Tesla. It's 10% on Tesla. I'm gonna go ahead and take my first sell here, just to be safe. I'll just hold 1 or 2 contracts. That's not an entry I would like to have. You know, that's too much risk there.
All right, I'm watching AMD again for a re-entry. I'm not gonna buy into this crazy sell candle, but just waiting.
Bam, there we go. It's 13% on Tesla, 14%. Thing is, these contracts are kind of expensive, so if we do go, you don't need much.
What a wick. What a wick.
Nice little scalp. Take it.
How do my positions just get so ugly?
Well, that's tempting me.
This SPY's back at this open at UF here. This is a big intraday resistance.
My positions just got so ugly, bro. That's actually tough.
You got filled on AMD again?
No, I didn't. But I'm tempted. I'm waiting for a re-entry.
That was it. Off of 140.
Yeah, I know. I just didn't want to buy into that just big weak candle. It definitely turned out to be the one to buy into. That's the level. Just that 140 level is the level today.
Well, I just checked the contracts. That was about a 40% return.
On AMD?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, the contracts are moving so much.
Sell on Tesla too. Love it. Nice little scalp. I like PayPal. PayPal's back in this demand too. I think I'm gonna grab next week contracts and come a little bit lower and just hold it. Yeah, if PayPal comes a little bit lower, I'll take it again.
I think
It's
it's
the last
further.
thing I'm watching.
Yeah, I didn't get filled there in AMD, but if you're holding, just hold now. You know what your stop loss is, right? You know your stop is exactly under 140. Now I didn't get refilled on this, so I'm not gonna narrate it beyond this, but you know that your stop now has to be 140. It's got to just retain that level and push from here, even if it chops around a little bit. As long as it retains 140, that's the level to use.
That's crazy. One person's red again today. This whole week, every time I've asked who's been red or green, it's been like one person. Everybody's green.
Yeah, I don't mind not taking it again. You know, I've already met my goal on AMD. I'm already really happy with how today ended up, so I'm not forced to take anything else. But it's interesting. That 140 level is really interesting. Right, only because I have the 480 call for SPY 1229. Yeah, I'd be careful holding calls into this resistance. Ah, man, yeah, AMD looks like it's gonna go.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, AMD. Apple's down 22%. Excuse me. Let's focus on this AMD. Apple's down 22%.
That's the level.
AMD.
take Amazon. If I haven't taken anything else, yeah, Amazon. Enter long, stop under 148. Again, I think AMD will present you a better move though. His contracts are moving crazy, but I'm just waiting. I'm just watching now.
Look at AMD. Look at my stock account. It's so bad. Oh my gosh, bro.
John, are you still holding Tesla?
Dude, PayPal is so fucked. Oh my gosh, what happened to PayPal,
You
dude?
still holding Tesla?
Nah, I'll be into the oil.
Oh my gosh, bro, come on.
It's just too easy money. 10% in a matter of a minute or so.
Let's focus on AMD, I guess.
How much you make today on AMD?
I made 1750. Plus my small 1750, 1,750. And then I made 134 on my small account minus commissions, so about 129 and change. This AMD still looks it's still there. If you guys haven't taken it, you could re-enter and just use that 140 as a stop. And I'm not in this trade. Just want to give that as a disclosure, but it's still showing signs of wicking at that 140. Now, your risk is under 148. If you're under 140, that's when things change. Right? If it loses that 140.
I kind of had the size of today. I still got that open position. I'm down like 4,700 on, so pretty much made back that loss.
Nice, man. Damn.
Those January spot puts, they're down like 49%.
That's natural swing of things, though, man. Like
Yeah.
those could easily go back to, plus 20, 30%. If we start to rotate, yeah, he's showing you. I think it's gonna go.
Tesla, goddammit. I missed my entry just now. Fuck you, Tesla. If anybody's holding, that's about 30%. That was the entry that I wanted. Literally exactly what I said. Wait into that 5-minute candle low, hold, enter, look at it now. That was it. That was our entry there. God damn it.
Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm getting a phone call.
Damn, Tesla. Fuck. That was what we wanted. Got a little early entry. I wouldn't even got my setup. I was walking over to my little mini fridge. Target on Tesla would be 250. That was it though. That was it. Went below that 5-minute previous low, reclaimed, enter, rock out. Yeah, Tesla's gone. Nice bloop, good shit. Yeah, those contracts we entered at 2.00, they're at 2.9 now. Almost 50%. That's a 50% return there on Tesla. Wow. Fuck.
Oh, nice in Tesla, man.
Yeah, insane.
Just push new highs. Jesus Christ.
Missed my second entry though. I caught the first little pop, but not that.
SPY is so weak though. It's the thing. Every green candle gets sold into today. Definitely have a lot of profit takers.
For those who know, I covered Tesla yesterday, and this is why I liked it for a bullish setup. Let me see. I'll share my screen real quick. This is something that you guys got to learn to keep an eye out for. A lot of you guys focus too much on individual candlesticks, but you need to look at the actual context of where that candlestick is coming from. If you look at Tesla, right? At one point in time yesterday, this candle was fully red, right? Where did it dip into, right? It dipped into this previous demand. First test, resistance. Second test, resistance. Third test, support. Yesterday, this candle was fully red at one point. Buyers stepped in, pushed it all the way to new highs, closed a bullish engulfing. So think of this as like an igniter, right? So when you start a fire, you got to start it, it builds up, then you add gas to it. Look where we're at now, right? But the igniter or the conviction came from this demand, right? Bullish pin bar, bullish engulfing for the previous candle, and then we cleared that resistance, which permitted an entry, right? So it's a whole component of factors, right, that go into the trade. It's not just, oh, Tesla broke resistance, enter. No, this all adds confidence, right? This is how you determine what size to use, when to use it, why are you using it, right? This is confidence builder, right? This is a conviction builder. What is the context of the trade coming about, right? Or even SPY, for example. Why was it so heavy in those SPY puts? Well, look at the context of it, right? SPY. We're testing a supply that we haven't tested since January of 2022, and then what is that? November of 2021, right? Why was that so heavy in SPY puts this morning? First test, November 22nd, 2021. Second, going into the new year 2022. New year 2022, turn to support. January, new year of 2022, turn to resistance, right? Here we are, pretty much over a year later, testing that same supply. What do we notice this morning that permitted an entry, right? What do we notice? We pushed into the level, failed it. We didn't enter here. We waited for it to push back into the level so we could define our risk. We entered here with a stop back above that previous 5-minute candle high, right? Now on those contracts, right now, we are back up to 25%. So it's not just you see a 5-minute candle go into your level, oh, I'm entering. No, it's the context. It's how the trade came about. It's about price action going into your level. It's about how the actual trade came about in general. Tesla, what did you just notice here? The criteria that I was looking for. It wasn't I was just saying, oh, Tesla looks strong, I'm going to buy calls. No, I had a whole game plan for Tesla. I wanted to see, right? Before this, I said this when, right? I said this right here, right? Tesla was still red. Tesla hasn't went anywhere. I said, what I want to see on Tesla is I want to see a wick below that previous 5-minute low, reclaim. When it reclaims, we enter. So we enter here. Now our stop loss is below 246. We're risking 50 cents, right? Target's 250. That's a 10-hour trade, right? Was the criteria met? Yes, right? I just wasn't at my setup to take it. Look what happened. We wicked below that previous 5-minute low, reclaimed it. That's your entry. Target's 250. You just caught a 10-hour trade. But it wasn't just because of one candlestick or this or that. No, it was a whole component of things that went into the actual trade. It started all with me being interested in Tesla because of why, right? We held this demand yesterday. We closed with a big bullish pin bar, bullish engulfing, whatever you want to call it, right? We have nice rising volume. That's why I was watching Tesla, right? Then I just waited patiently for confirmation, which was based off those factors I just mentioned about. Same thing with SPY puts for those who just missed it. Same exact concept, right? The trade idea came from what? Supply from back there in January 2022, right? November of 2021, right? Last time we tested this area, every single time, right? Every time we test this area, we've seen a minimum, right? Oh, let me see here, go back, right? Every time we've tested this supply, we've seen a 5% correction. From back there in January 2022, right? November 5% correction. Right? Last time we tested this area, 11% correction. Exactly. So every time we've tested this supply, we've seen at least a 5% pullback, right? On 3 different occasions within a 3-month period. This is an untested supply, right? We haven't tested this supply until now, which is a whole year later. Okay? That's how the trade idea came about. We had a supply level, right? And once you identify, the level you're looking to trade, in this case was 474.
So this PayPal position is a swing position. You could, if you want to enter this, you can. It's down 40% right now, but it's a swing position. Target $65.
So once we pop back into it, we can enter back into the previous highs with a stop loss above the previous highs. That way, I literally have 30 cents of risk, right? I'm risking above 474, so I'm risking 30 cents.
Next time I pre-enter these, though, I'm going to put stops
right? And our target's 470. That's literally almost almost a 10-hour trade.
199.
AMD's back at that 140 again. Look, I'm not in AMD. Like, just so you guys know, I'm not in, and I don't plan to re-enter. But if you're in, you know your stop loss can't be until at least 140 breaks, right? So not in this position, just so you guys know. But it's still back at 140. It's still rotating 140. So if you're in longs, you're risking about 40 cents right now for a push back into 141 plus. So don't get stressed out when you see the stock retracing back to its demand. The only reason why I'm not re-entering AMD here is because SPY is a little bit too weak for my liking. I don't really like how SPY is just failing, just like what Felony's saying. But Felony, go ahead, man. Sorry to interrupt you.
Right, okay.
Amazon 150. So the stop loss should have been 149 for Amazon.
Jay Galvez, just like I said, we literally, if you heard my signal from before, not only did I enter AMD with you guys, I held it in drawdown when it pulled back sub my entry. I maintained the position, and then we maintained target of 142, and we hit the target. So, if you miss the trade, you missed the trade, and it's okay. But I just don't plan to re-enter. I've already hit my goal today. There's no reason for me to re-enter. But if you're in longs, like 140 has to be your stop. I don't plan on re-entering. SPY's a little too weak for me. But if you're in, you now would move your stop to 140. It has to hold this 140. Otherwise, it's going to lose that bullish momentum. That's the mindset you have to have. But, just because you missed the first trade, you guys have to just wait for, we gave you guys really good entries today. So no reason for me to jump around and start taking other trades. Yeah, AMD's breaking now, but it's not convincing enough yet. Give it a little bit more, I would say. 139.8. That's where I would have that sentiment shift. That's where it loses its sort of structure.
Of course, man. I'm glad I can help.
Fucking lost, bro.
Talked about, and a lot of people, if you take their course, they're not going to teach you what I just taught you. Why? Because they don't even know how to trade, right? That's the thing. There's no other way to trade, right? An indicator's not going to trade for you. A buy and sell signal's not going to trade for you. You have to understand market mechanics. And you have to understand.
Dude, what a shit day.
Right?
If
there's no candlesticks on this chart, none of us are trading, right? None, right? None of us. Zero.
Bro, fuck
But you notice, 90% of the time,
I just lost all my fucking profit.
Either VWAP and just my little indicator that shows me.
The fuck did I do to deserve this, huh?
Where's pre-market low at? Where's yesterday's high at?
I just lost all my fucking profit. What? I don't understand, bro. Jesus Christ. Fucking Apple.
Shinobi, man. I don't mind doing classes, but you gotta understand that. Well, even me specifically, or even Brett, right? Like, it took us years to get to the point that we're at, right? It took me, hundreds and thousands of dollars and thousands of hours, and our time is very valuable, right? Our knowledge is very valuable, So I don't mind sharing stuff on live, right? I give out more free game than probably anyone in this world. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be very honest. If you go to my Instagram, you can literally damn near teach yourself how to trade just by scrolling through my Instagram. 1,000% confident in that. You go to my YouTube, right? Let me show you guys something, right? Show you guys something.
I just need AMD to go, man. I don't give a fuck about this. How did I lose? I literally lost all my profit, bro. I hate trading stocks, man. I just want to fucking fuck me,
Like,
bro.
so some people in the chat are so wild, man. Like, we'll signal like such a great trade, and then they'll come in and they'll go, "What's the move?" Like after the trade's been signaled.
All right, there we go.
Like, damn, like, did you not hear any? Did you not hear the last?
That's right.
All right, there we go.
Damn, bro.
Everybody can see, right? Here, I'll post it in the chat as well.
And bro, I lost all my profit. I'm so sad. How did I don't understand, bro. I hate this shit. These stocks suck.
There's thousands and thousands and thousands of hours.
I'm just gonna hold
of lives
AMD.
here, right?
I
And
don't care, bro. I'm
the
sorry.
amount of
I'm gonna hold
people
AMD.
on these lives, along with just being
Oh
able to
wait,
watch
never mind. It's
professional trading charts,
man.
plans their trading day, what to look for, when to look for it.
Damn.
If I were a new trader
Damn.
and I had someone like myself that provided value,
Man, I'm losing in life every fucking
never
day.
leave.
Every fucking day.
Until I figured it out, right? It's like all the pieces are here, right? Or say, for example,
Why?
here, right? And even watch, I'm gonna show you guys all the resources you can use, right? Look at
Bro,
this.
I literally just lost my money in
Right? I
like
just
that.
recently started posting meme stuff, but
Like what the fuck, bro?
4 years worth of trading content, right? Psychology stuff, right? Trading pullbacks, understanding the basics, trading demand zones, valid versus invalid supply and demand, right? Talking about volume, dissecting price action, talking about liquidity, right? Let's see what else. Trading trend lines, right? Paying attention to wicks, understanding basics again, basic candlesticks, talking about risk to reward, right? Talking about actual wicks, how to break down what price action looks like for a entry in the demand zone, right? Confluences again, right? Different time frames, using different time frames, breaking down phases of the market, reversals, right? How to trade retest, right? How to trade retest, literally broken down step by step, 4 different steps in a picture form, technical analysis, right? Like this is 4 years worth of, you just got to put in the work, right? And if you want to go even further than that, right? Bro, fucking Zoom sucks ass, man. I swear to God. Jake, bro, stop being a dick sucker, man. The past few days you've been mad weird, dude. I don't know what's wrong with you, man. We done took 4 good trades today, man. You're being mad weird the past couple days, bro. I'm not gonna lie, you're a cool dude, man, but you're being mad weird recently. Don't understand it. Here I am helping people, showing people where they can learn from, right? And I'm about to show them the Discord in 1 second, but it's like, come on, dude.